Hi, welcome to the new section, and in this video we are going to look at advanced string manipulation, string concatenation techniques, and count and replace functions in the strings. So for this exercise I am going to the PyCharm integrated development environment. So I'll just use prefix. So I'll just say Python is an. So I will try to concatenate two functions. So I'll use two variables, prefix and suffix. So I'll just declare a third variable to concatenate. So I'll just concatenate using the plus sign, and then I will call the variable a string. So print a string. So it's just straightforward. Declare two variables, concatenated using the a string, and then calling that a string variable. So Python is an awesome language. So that is what you need to define. And what happens if I want to have this same string, a string, two times? So I'll just declare a string is equal to a string into 2. So then I will declare, then you will get in two times, like you want to have the sentence two times. So Python is an awesome language. Python is an awesome language. But what happens if I want to replace the word language? So you can use the replace function. So I'll just use, after this one, I'll just a string equal to a string dot replace. So I'll replace the language with snake. So language is there, so I will use so you can see Python is an awesome snake in an awesome sense. So you have replaced the language with a snake. But what happens if I want to replace the language only one word, only the first formation of the language I want to replace only one time? So I can just put a limit. So what I can do, a string dot replace, so here what I am doing is I am replacing the snake, and I am replacing the first thing is, what is the thing, first word, whatever the word that you want to replace. First thing is, first I will print this one first. Previously I'll use a string. Here you can see first thing is concatenation, next one is I am replacing the language with the snake, and after that one I am replacing the language with the snake again. But the first word that I am going to replace is the language, the first word that you are going to put language, and then the second word that you are going to get is a snake. So and then it's going to print out. And Python is an awesome language because you are replacing the snake with the language, and you want only the first time. So you want it two times, you can just give it two times. So it will just be replaced by awesome language. So I'm just getting it one time. You can just, so you can give the count, number of times that you want to give it in the replace function. And then now I want to get the count of the functions. Like here I want to get the count, the number of an. So what I can do, print astr dot count of an. So what I can do, I will just replace the count function with the number of variables. Like what I can do, I can just replace the count. I will just use the and function. So count is 2. Like you can see, is an awesome, capital A n, 2 times. But if I want to get the count of the small letter, It's only one time because Python is an awesome language. You can just see in the language we have an. So this is a one time. So here we have seen the string concatenation replace function using the two words. Like if you want to replace the original word with the new word, and what is the limit on the replace, like how you can replace the how you can replace both the words along with using the limits, how many times you want to replace it. And we have also seen the count, how many number of times a word is being repeated in the sentence, like that, in the variable or something like that. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.